Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, congratulations are definitely in order. For Likkle Addi, big up yourself. Yo, something about Likkle Addi. Yeah, for your same image, the style of music, and character, we don't know, him seem wise beyond him age. It's almost like him and the bigger brother, the Likkle Vybz. We don't know, something about him presence, something about him, you know, the way him carry himself in the music, and when we see him, whether upon interviews or in the streets. Now, Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, very emotional. And Addi a granddaddy, so go on, not just musically, but right now Addi a granddaddy in a dancehall music, the king. Big up yourself. Now, Vybz Kartel response: don't worry about these. Who are those two millionaires? What do you think I work so hard for? Some people feel like say for hold on pan dancehall music. Him say no, a legacy. And if you're angry, him say, well, mission accomplished. For some who know, you know, feelings and have all kind of statements to make. Him say, yes, mission accomplished. Him say, same son no wash no mouth pa Movado son. Cause bad minds saturate the very fiber of uno existence. Him go on to say, get a life and mind the business that pays you. If it a put money in your pocket, well, him say, by all means, pay full attention to it. But if it is not putting dollars in your pocket, him say maybe you need to focus on something else. And him also say for the people them who foreign minded, him say the bossy slave them, as he referred to them. Him say she is an American citizen, looking very beautiful too, you know what I mean? Big her up. She is now a part of the Palmer dynasty. The Palmer dynasty, the biggest dynasty in a dancehall music. Big up the Marleys. The only other musical dynasty where we can see in a music. Meaning say from Bob to him youth them, to him grand youth them, are the music under the Marley name. That's what we talk about when I say legacy. You know what I mean? Yeah, bloodline. The Palmers in a dancehall music. You can't tell me nothing. Me no response to no one. The comment section is there though. Don't feel like the comment section is there. So no one to say. But I know we do research. The facts are in. The Palmers are definitely the dancehall family, and the legacy has extended. Yeah, but definitely a good look. As I'm saying, people have mixed feelings. Some people refer to age, and not people have only for things to say. It is what it is, and all we can say is, congratulations. Recently see Mother's Day. I will support and big up all the life givers, all of the mothers. See a young mother, all we can do a big her up. You know what I mean? I wish her all the best in her future endeavors. You know the something go. Likkle Addi, the work I put in, we see her do the music. We definitely see ya do the music. You know what I mean? Yeah, the fresh fear out, we see you drop crazy tracks. You and Likkle Vybz are do it. You know what I mean? And it's definitely a good look. Glad to see the way you know. Deal with music. We not just take it say yo, because Addi and daddy, we don't feel like so we can just sing subpar music. I give music where, you know what I mean, people not to pay attention to, you know, current. No. We don't take it and I say, yo, watch you know, this means that we have to work 4 times as hard as any other artist. Because people are gonna readily say, yo, ooh, we sound like, we are act like, or we are move like Vybz Kartel. So I will show them say, no, we are our own artists, our own individual. We unique. Our style of music is something to be heard, not just because our father is the king of the genre. No, but because we talented too as well. We have inherited that. And it's a good look for see how them deal with music. You know what I mean? And for see them deal what go on in the world too at the same time. You know what I mean? Yeah, have a wife. We can't say nothing wrong with that. What could you say is wrong with that? And life involved now, youth involved, then it's a special union. You can't say nothing more than that. It is a special union. I'm glad to see Vybz Kartel fouled out with the statement. You know what I mean? Yes, a good look here. That being said, you know what I mean? As a parent, you have to remember this too, you know? Yeah, in a certain household, certain people might deal with the situation differently. And who can point out this while I say this, and when they can't tell me something wrong, it is always based upon financial reasons. Always based upon financial reasons. And the thought of future endeavors being put off because of what will take place in the next 9 months. But in this situation, we can't say that. We cannot say that. The financial thought or the financial aspect of it, we can't say this. Likkle Addi have a very promising career in a music. I will not talk about future endeavors right now. He might drop hot songs in the dancehall music. Him have the name. So there is a way to provide. We not have to wonder. So without getting too much into that, we can say this. Very special union. And all I can say is congratulations are in order. Simply said, simply put. Big them up. You know what I mean? Yeah, big them up. Definitely a good look. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts. Let me know if you do not agree, and whether you agree or not, it happen. So keep that in mind. But whether or not you agree, let me know what your thoughts and what the mindset, why you give the comment. I know some people like to just comment and say, oh, and talk some things. Explain to why. Remember the comment section is there so we can extend the reasoning to the comment section. So talk to me in the comment section very intelligently and I could know why you're ready. Other than that, drop some congratulations, no man. Yeah, Gaza Nation, drop some congratulations. Addi a granddaddy. I mean, nah, man, the dancehall music, the king of a girl. Grandchild on the way, grandchild on the way, Gaza Nation. The first Gaza Nation grandchild. Official congratulations. I don't know, I'm in the music right now. You know what I mean? Despite where it take place worldwide, this is a joyful news. This. And tell you about somebody where, you know what I mean? I expect some, one on the way. Always a joyful vibes. All we can say is, you mean? Big up yourself. Some people are say, wait, oh, little vibes. You can't put that for your brain. Yeah, I mean that. You know what I mean? But definitely a good look. We see, Likkle Addi. A debut to the world. So yeah, let the move in the people. You know what I mean? Supporters. You know the naysayers them out there too. Because with stardom, something, everybody pay attention to what take place. So yeah, of course, you know that the naysayers were out there as well, ready to make a bag of talk, say a bag of thing. You know what I mean? We have teachers' response. You know what I mean? We have teachers' response. Him saying nobody worry about the millionaires. Do not worry about them. Legacy is what he's been working this hard for all him career. But you see me put in the work, I put in the work. Some people feel like, say, well, if I control dancehall, a dancehall, no. You have to remember, when you have a love and appreciation for the music, it also goes same for the fans. And the teacher knows, say, yo, the fans them out there, them want music. They make sure, say, you know what I mean? Music will reach them. Dominating the chart is just another effect of being, you know what I mean? The man. So, that's how it go. But legacy, the dollars, dead. You know what I mean? The inheritance is there. And guess what I mean? Inherit. The most important. The talent of doing music, the connections. So, we're not even talk about, as we point out himself, now talk about him father and him mother money. He might talk about fame money. And he might put in the work for accumulate fame money. That's a good look. First and foremost, he inherit the talent. And also the connections to do music and get the music out there. Talk to me in the comment section. Vice the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, it's just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Drop a like on the vlog, no man. Share icon is also in close proximity. You can tell a friend, but tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. You know the something go. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And we can continue the reason via the comment section. You know, move settings fam. No, we don't need no ladder. No, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.